Hello everyone, this is Yazan Yahya, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate our new project, LLM Evaluation Platform. This is an introduction about myself. My name is Yazan Yahya. I am a senior software engineer with over than 5 years experience, mainly focusing on backend development. Project requirements. In this project, we have to build an evaluation platform to test which combination of system prompts and LLMs works best for your startup use case. So if you have a startup and you don't know which system prompts to use and which LLM uh, works best for your use case, then our platform can help you with that. Objectives and impact. Make AI works better, okay, because it helps companies improve AI prompts and models. Also, it helps you having better results by increase customer satisfaction and boost revenue. Also, it helps you stay ahead by using smarter AI to stay competitive. In this project, uh, technologies used are Next.js for as a backend front-end solution, SQL Postgres for the database, and Prisma as ORM to interact with our database. I also use the Grok to generate responses by multiple LLMs. Here our database design. First we have experiment table with a name and system prompt fields. The experiment might have multiple test cases. So and test cases also might be shared with multiple experiments. So we have many-to-many relation table here. Also the experiment might involve multiple models, the models that we want to test. So we have many-to-many tables between the experiment and LLM. Each time we run the experiment, we will have experiment run record. So in this table we have the start date, end date, and experiment ID as a foreign key for the experiment. As I said, test cases might involved in one experiment. So we will have test case results. The test case result has experiment run and test case ID and the LLM used here for this test case. And we will have the response from the LLM and the duration. So we will have multiple records for this table for each test case and for each LLM that we want to test. At the end, we have a grader result. This table has grader LLM ID and criterion and the score. So in the grader LLM is used to evaluate each test case result and specify the criterion and the score. For example, factuality. Okay, and multiple grader LLM can be used also, but for my case I only used one. Let's start with a demo. This is my project. As I said, we have here the dashboard page. In this project, or in this example, I used to test 3 LLMs: Llama 3.1, Mixtral 8, and Gima 2. Okay, and I used another LLM to evaluate which one best for me. Okay, works best for me. We have the first chart, which is factuality score comparison. We can see that Gima is the best one here with 59 percentage factuality percentage. In terms of response time, we can see that they are close to each other, but yeah, they are the same here because we are taking the average. And in this experiment, or we can say the experiment participation, we can see how many times this model is used across all experiments. Okay, the user can see all the experiments involved and see the system prompts, LLM used, etc. And the user also can create a new experiment. Okay, let's take this one. I would say let's name the experiment demo, and I have prepared a system prompt to count how many letters in a word. So the system prompt here, You are a platform designed to analyze text and count the occurrences of specific letters or characters in the provided input. And we want to see which one is best for my use case. I will start with the first test case, which is how many are in strawberry. So we have 3. This is the expected output. I will add multiple test cases, another test cases like avocado. How many A? I will make it small letters just in case. How many A in avocado? We can see that we have 2. This is the expected output. And I will run the experiment. You can see that I'm running all the test cases across all models in parallel, and once the response retrieved, I'm calling another API also independently to evaluate the factuality. We can see that, for example, this one has 0% factuality, this one is correct, and this one is correct 3. In terms of how many A in avocado, we have here 3, so this is incorrect, this is true, and this is wrong, so we have 0 factuality. So yeah, we can see that Llama 3.1 is the best one here for my use case. I can save the experiment and I can see the experiment that I have created, and also I can view it and also add more test cases. Also the data is updated. Also with the data you can see here the llama for my it increased a little bit. Also all the data here will be updated. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. Bye.